loves, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today you guys are gonna get a double dose of decorating. So I'm decorating my tree that you see here in my bedroom. I'm gonna show you guys how I got to that, and also I'm going to be decorating my console table here. So you guys stay tuned. Also, I do have a collaboration today with one of this amazing brand, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. So I am so excited, you guys, that I am starting to decorate for Christmas, and it feels so good. It feels like home. And the house is starting to come together, and so I just wanted to start decorating for the Christmas holiday because Thanksgiving is around the corner, and y'all know I like to have my trees up and everything done for Thanksgiving. So I am making this beautiful vignette. Y'all know I love to kind of just offset my centerpieces and my mirrors and all those things, and I was so happy that I was able to get some of my Christmas decor because I really didn't want to spend any money, buying Christmas decorations. Y'all know, I just didn't want to do that this year. So I am so glad that my friends, they came down here and they brought down my stuff. And though I don't have everything, I have exactly what I need for this space because it's not a large space. So I pretty much have everything that I need to decorate this entire downstairs apartment. And I just love it. And this is one of the items that I got from one of you guys, my subbies. And I am so excited about using it in my thrifted silver tray. It just looks incredible. So today I am collaborating with Aromad, and you guys, oh my goodness, when I tell you this white tea smells so incredible. So exactly what it is it is a diffuser that does not use water. I've never heard of that, but it comes with its own USB charger port and USB charger cord, and it gives you all the mounting and all the things that you need to mount it on the wall. You can put it on a console table, a coffee table, a dresser, whatever it is. It also comes with this key to open it and take out the bottle that you can throw in the beautiful scented essential oil, and it has the little charger port in the back that you can charge it up. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I can throw the essential oil in the bottle, and then yeah, it smells incredible. I wish you guys can smell it. Hopefully you guys will really take to it and order it. You guys, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful scent. The white tea is my favorite. I'm not so keen on the 24 karat. I'm still kind of trying it out, but y'all, it's so sleek. It's absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. It's a space saver. It does not take up any space at all. And it does have all of the on and off switch, and it gives you like different settings that you can put it on. And y'all, it smells incredible. My daughter Michaela came in the living room, and she was just like, "What is that smell?" And I'm like, it's the Aromad essential oil white tea. It smells incredible, and I just love the way that it fits in any space. You can put it in a bedroom, you could put it in an office, you could put it in a bathroom, the kitchen, countertop, whatever. It just fits so perfectly. So you guys, I'm going to leave the information down in the description box where you can go to their website and you can make a purchase. It'll be great for the holiday season. It's also a great gift for a loved one, a friend, a supervisor, co-workers. It's a great product, and y'all know I don't come on here and advertise products if I don't believe in it. And this product I absolutely love. It's safe for you, it's safe for the environment, it's all natural, and I just love it so much. And yeah, I am definitely going to be ordering that white tea because once it runs out, I don't want to not be without it. You know what I mean? I don't want to be without it. And so I just love the way that it fits in with my decor, my aesthetic, and I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Aromad, for collaborating with me on this video. Your product is amazing. I am sold, and I am a forever customer. And thank you so much for collaborating with me on this video. And I hope that you guys will go down in the description box and try it. Try the link, go to the website, order your Aromad essential oils and your diffuser, because you will not be disappointed. I'm telling you, it is absolutely an incredible product. So thank you, Aromad, for collaborating with me today. And this is what it looks like. It fits in so well with my decor and my Christmas decor, you guys. Oh, doesn't she just look beautiful? She looks stylish, right? So I am so excited, you guys, so excited. So right now, I am actually making my bed because I'm getting ready to decorate my tree in my bedroom. So I can't decorate my tree and my bed is not made. Like, I just can't do that. So we're going to go ahead, make this bed, and then we're going to start decorating this tree.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere.
So right now I am just taking off some of these little owls off of the tree because they're mostly for fall, but I am going to leave the little squirrel on there because the look that I'm going for is like a rustic woodland theme with traditional colors. I also want to go a little bit more whimsical with this tree this year. And this bow I got it from Walmart. I think it was 2 years ago that I got it from Walmart. And this tree itself is also a King of Christmas tree. And y'all, it's 7.5 feet tall. I'm 5'1". So I was so happy when I could take the top off, okay? Hang my ribbon on the top of the tree and then go ahead and reconnect the tree. I mean, no cords, nothing. I just love King of Christmas. I love their product. It's incredible. It's amazing. I just love it. And I will never, like, I'm a fan for life for King of Christmas for all of their products. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this tree with woodland theme, a little bit of whimsy, some traditional red colors, because y'all know Christmas is just not Christmas without the reds, okay? And these are my beaded garlands that I am going to be using on my tree. I'm not using a lot of the silvers and the whites because I'm going for a more warmer, earthy tone. So a lot of the whites I'm not going to be using, but a lot of the sparkles I am going to be using because I'm going to be putting those down the middle of the tree, and you'll get to see what I'm talking about. I like to put like my sparkly ones in the mirrored looking ones in the middle of the tree or the spine of the tree because it gives it depth. So when you're looking at the tree, you're not just looking on the outskirts, but it's almost like you're looking into the tree itself. So we're going to go ahead and start decorating, start tying all these ribbons on there, y'all. I don't even know how many ribbons I tied on this tree, but it was a lot, okay? So let's go ahead and get decorating.
There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me. snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me. Let's go get snowed in. Let's go get snowed in. How wrong could that be? Being snowed in somewhere, you and me.
So as you see, I'm using all the browns and all the warm tones because I just love warm tones and I wanted it to be earthy. I wanted like a classic traditional vibe, but with woodland theme or rustic theme. And my bedding is also going to be like a rustic quilt. So I love the way that it turned out, you guys. It's a lot. I love a lot. I love a lot of stuff. Christmas is my personality. You guys know that. And so I love to have a lot of stuff on my tree. I am a maximalist and I just love a full tree. I love that you cannot see through the tree. It is absolutely stunning. I love all the reds, love all the browns. I added some of my kids' ornaments that they've made in school when they were in elementary school. And I just love it. It's like a family tree and it's whimsical, it's fun, it's eclectic, it's beautiful, and I just love the way that it looks. So you guys let me know what you think about this tree, my woodland themed classic tree. And yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Also, don't forget to visit Aromadd's website. Y'all are going to love this product. I'm telling you, I would not be telling you about it if I didn't think it was a good one. Y'all know I'm not going to be bringing y'all no garbage, okay? So don't forget to go ahead, check out their website. They have a ton of stuff on there that you can choose from. And the price point is really, really affordable. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And are you guys decorating for Christmas yet? Let me know. Did y'all start y'all decorating? I know some of you guys on the last video said that you're going to be starting next week or around Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving. So let me know if any of you have started yet decorating. All right. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. He is the reason for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.
Let's get snowed